Trades are not something that can take a break. Trades are at the very core of everything that this country is built on. Without the tradesmen, you have no country. You have no economy. You can go anywhere in life, any building, any area, and you see welds. Welding is one of the building blocks of the country. I'm Kevin Compton, welding instructor here at Tidewater Tech. Tidewater Tech is great at providing opportunities. That's what they did for me, and that's what they do for a lot of people. It's an opportunity to better your life, to have a great future, to be financially stable, help support a family if you have a family. Here in the United States, manufacturing was something that we were very, very proud of. It's something that we held dear at one point in time. The manufacturing business is starting to come back. That opens up a ton of job opportunities. When you just say a welding career, it's such a broad term. So many different areas that you can go into. You can travel all across the world doing something that you really love and really enjoy. We have companies contacting us all the time waiting for students to graduate. They're already wanting them before they even get out of school. And they're already lined up to have a job when they get out. As long as they come in here and they put in the work and they put their heart into it, they will be able to get out there and find a job. It's kind of the same experience as you would get on the job training. It's really hands-on here. You do most of your learning in the lab hands-on. If you really put yourself into it and really dive deep and care about what you're doing, you're going to be successful. The instructors and the teachers here, they will see people that want to do well, that want to learn, and that really pushes them even more. They truly care. They will really put their heart into what they teach you, and they'll teach you something new every day. Always something to learn, always. There's very few things that are better than being able to see someone succeed and you know that you kind of took part, and seeing that gratitude and seeing how grateful they are for how you've helped them, but also seeing their progress. I take pride in that. That makes me feel really wonderful to see that I just helped them and they're smiling now where they were frowning, 3 minutes ago. At the very base level of my whole entire job here, it's wanting to help other people succeed. You're working with fire, it's all really, really cool stuff. So if you're kind of a hands-on guy and all of those things interest you and it really strikes at your heart, go for it.